In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. The first thing you want to do is search for CMD and right click, run as an administrator. In here you want to type ipconfig space / flush DNS. After that you want to type in net sh space winsock space reset and press enter. Once you've done that, you can close it down. And then what you want to do is search for view network connections. Open up this one, and from in here you should be able to see your internet. Then you want to find the one that you're currently using. This one is mine. Right click and go to properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4. Go to properties. Use the following DNS. And in here you want to type 8888. And alternative you want to type 8844. Press OK and then close it down. Now once you've done that, what we want to do is open up Windows Defender. Open up Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Advanced Settings. Inbound Rules. New Rule. And then what you want to do is you want to choose port. Go to Next. In here, TCP. And in here you want to type these numbers. 49152-65535. That is 49152 and then a dash 65535. Now once you've typed in these numbers, you want to press next, allow the connection, next, all of these, next, and just call it something like Rainbow Six or whatever you want to call it, and press finish. Once you've done that, you can close it down. After that, you want to head here and search for network reset. Reset now and the PC will restart, and then it should work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.